What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize the ribbon in Microsoft Excel. Personalizing the ribbon in Excel allows you to group your most frequently used commands together in one easily accessible location. This customization is a huge time saver, especially if your spreadsheets involve repetitive tasks that require specific tools. First, launch Microsoft Excel and click on the File tab. In the menu on the left, select Options. This action brings up a dialog box. From here, go ahead and choose the Customize Ribbon option. Within the Customize Ribbon settings, you'll find two main sections. To the left, there's a list of all available commands that you can add to your ribbon. These include anything from basic functions to more advanced features. On the right, you'll see the tabs that currently exist in your ribbon. To add a new tab, simply click the New Tab button found below the list of existing tabs. This will insert a new tab, along with one default group within that tab. If you need additional groups within your new tab for better organization, click the New Group button while your tab is selected. Each group can then be customized by adding commands from the left pane. Just select a command and either drag it into a group or use the Add button between the panes. You can also rename any tab or group to reflect the functions it contains, making it easier to navigate the ribbon. To do this, select the tab or group, then click the Rename button and type any name that accurately describes its contents. Customizing your ribbon in Excel like this optimizes your workflow by putting the tools you use most often right at your fingertips, reducing the time spent searching through menus and increasing your overall efficiency. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.